Alright, so I'm quite sure that many of you have been looking for that perfect dash cam under the price bracket of 10,000 rupees. So for most of you, I have always recommended to go with the 70mm A510 because of its Star-Vis 2 sensor, but the fact remains that it doesn't come under the 10,000 price bracket. I'm talking about the dual channel variant. You need to shell out 3 to 4,000 extra for the camera, and again you have to shell out more for the memory card and the hardware kit if you do require it. So considering all those aspects, your budget will kind of go up to 15,000. But if you have a very strict budget of under 10,000 price bracket, I think I have the perfect and the most amazing dash camera you can buy within that range. So this is the Botslab G500H. This is a dual channel setup, 3K camera at the front, Full HD at the rear, gets the previous gen Star-Vis sensor, gets GPS, gets amazing ADAS features, also supports parking monitoring with the hardware kit. What more do you want? So let's quickly dive into the box and show you what you get inside it. Alright, so this is the Botslab Dashcam G500H Pro, and as soon as you do open up the box, you get a user manual, very important to those people who are looking to get into the detail of the camera. You get 2 electrostatic stickers. You also get a soft cloth so that you can clean off the windshield before sticking those electrostatic stickers. And here is a very smart looking, kind of like a matchbox sized camera. So this is the G500H. Looks very smart. It's got a display at the back, quite a big display I must say. I think it should be around 3-inch display. You get control buttons at the side. You get this up and down buttons and a power button at the middle. You get the Botslab branding right below the display. On top you get an older gen micro USB port for the rear camera, and you also get an attachment for the windshield mount, which kind of also doubles up as a GPS receiver, I guess. And here at the front is the 3K camera, and it says it is AI enhanced. So the lens module does move about up and down. It also moves about left and right so that you can adjust the angle of the camera based on your requirement. It has got this serrated matte finish at the front. But what kind of really impresses me about this camera is that it is actually matchbox sized. I mean, you can see how thin this is in every aspect except for the lens module, of course. The whole dash cam is super slim, and a large display at the back is the cherry on top. So you get a standard wiring installation tool. So here's the windshield mount with a pre-attached 3M sticker, and you get the additional 3M sticker as well. So even this too gets a older gen micro USB port which plugs in into the main camera. So I think this is a GPS mount, so that's where it draws the GPS coordinates from. And there you go. This is the mounted version. This is the sticked version of the windshield mount. So I think for vertical windshields this might not be an ideal case. So if you do try and stick it to the vertical windshield, the lens will be completely focusing downwards. So this camera is not for those cars which have a vertical windshield, but slanted windshields, no problem, it can do the job for you. And in order to remove the windshield mount, it's got 2 buttons at the side. So just hold them together and just plug it out and it comes out. Putting it back is also a breeze. Just plug it inside and it gets the job done. Following that, you have the main power cable, a type A port at the one end and a L-shaped connector with a type C port at the other end. So as you can see, the windshield mount itself has a type C port right here. So this means the main power supply, the main power cable, is a type C based cable. Then you have a car charger with a single USB port and a LED indicator, a standard car charger with a matte black finish at the border and a gloss black finish. Alright, so here is the rear camera, a very interesting looking camera. I mean, even the previous Botslab model had a similar type. So a square shaped, a box shaped rear camera. Only Botslab cameras get this kind of rear cameras. It's got this screw attachment here so that you can tighten the windshield mount according to your needs. So once you tighten it, it will fit into its place. The windshield mount itself is movable up and down, so you can attach it anywhere, and I think it can even stick onto the vertical windshield. So as you can see, it's completely flat out here. So this is a 1080p Full HD camera with its own type A to type B connector at one end and the older gen micro USB connector at the other end, which plugs in into the main camera unit right here. So these are the things which you get inside the box: the main front camera unit and the rear camera unit. So it will be very interesting to see how this camera performs, because I really do think that under the 10,000 price bracket, the Botslab G500H should be one of the most value for money propositions, considering it gives you a large display, it gives you a GPS mount, it gives you a 3K 1944p resolution, a uniquely designed rear camera which gives you a full HD resolution. It also gets some amazing ADAS features as well. So I'll be doing a super detailed review video of the Botslab G500H probably in about a week or so. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure that you've liked this video, and make sure that you've hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload the review video of the Botslab G500H. And if you have a budget of 10,000 bucks for your next dash camera for your new car, I think you should wait for this video. Check out the in detail features and the video quality of this camera and decide if this is the one for you. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.